Alright, ladies and germs. So, today, we're gonna make Big Mac tacos. Yes. I'm excited. Super simple. I'm not doing the whole patty to the shell, steam the patty thing. Like, that's just, that, I don't know, that makes me feel weird. We're not gonna do that. But, we are gonna do kind of like a chopped cheese style taco for this. So, first thing is making the sauce and cutting our onion and our pickle. So let's hop to it. So I have one onion that I'm going to fine dice. Some of it is going to be for the sauce. Some of it is going to go towards the ground beef mix, and then the other is just to top it with. But make sure you kind of split it into three ways. But we're going to use half of it for the ground beef. We're going to use a little bit of it for the sauce, and then a little bit, just whatever's left, is basically going to be for topping of the tacos. So, fine diced onion. Uno. And whatever you do, don't cry. That's not part of the recipe. Just FYI. Anyway. Fine dice. Alright, so I have half of my onion for my ground beef. I have about 2 tablespoons for my sauce, and then the rest to top my tacos with. So, now, let's cut up some pickles to put on top of our tacos as well as for our sauce. Alright, there's our diced pickle, and like I said, I'm going to leave it in one whole container, and then we'll add it to the sauce when we start our sauce, but then the rest, save for topping your tacos with. So, with that being said, let's make the sauce. Okay, so in here I have roughly 2 tablespoons of fine chopped onion. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of our chopped pickle. Alright, a half cup of olive oil mayo. 2 tablespoons of no sugar added ketchup. A tablespoon of yellow mustard. A half teaspoon of black pepper and a half teaspoon of salt. A half teaspoon of garlic powder. And a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then lastly, a splash or a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and give that a mix. Okay, perfect. Set this off to the side. And I think that's about it, and it's time to head out to the Blackstone. Alright, so I got my corn tortillas. I got my onion. We are going to add some garlic powder, black pepper, and salt to this. And then we got mozzarella cheese, and I have a pound of lean ground beef. So, out to the Blackstone we go. Alright, so I'm excited. This already looks delicious. The cheese is all gooey and got a little bit of a crust to it. So, first thing I'm going to do is toss in some of my onions. Alright, next our sauce. Alright, some shredded lettuce. Okay, and then some of our diced pickle. And there we have some Big Mac tacos. Let's eat. Oh yeah. Cheers. I have done it once again. Wow. This is phenomenal. So the beef is cooked nicely. I like the way it formed kind of a crust on it. And to be honest, it's very lean beef. Now I know I used a little bit of olive oil to kind of help add some love to it, but it formed a nice crust, and the cheese is just nice and gooey. It's almost like a patty melt kind of vibe to it. The corn shell holds everything in. I mean, it's not a horribly messy taco. With the sauce and the lettuce and everything else, it holds it together quite nicely, and it holds up to everything quite nicely too. And then as for the sauce, it's perfect every time. And does it taste like a Big Mac in taco form? Yeah, I think that's kind of the idea. If it tasted like anything else other than that, I think we would all be a little concerned. But this is phenomenal. Like, you wouldn't know that this is 93.7 ground beef, like super lean ground beef. You wouldn't know that the sauce was made with olive oil mayo. You wouldn't know that it was no sugar added ketchup. Like, this is a great taco. And even with the corn shell, once you eat it with everything, you don't even really notice the corn shell. It's just there to hold everything together. So it feels like you're just eating a Big Mac. This is fantastic. I like this. This is enjoyable. I will be making this a lot. Well guys, there you have it. Big Mac tacos on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Oh, these tacos are fabulous!